ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we were expected, the price dropped because we mentioned that we once when the price was within this move, we mentioned we want the price to break this low and drop to any of this level. As we can see, even they broke 1.138 and tag 1.09. Okay, now we want to see whether we get the reversal or the correction for continuation. Okay, because we mentioned if the price drop, the next level we're looking is for 1. But from now, any buy setup we get, we take the trade. Okay, now we want to see what we have based on higher time frame. If we move to daily chart, all right, as we can see, after this correction, we get this move when the price was at the top. I mentioned maybe this one can turn to a more complex correction. This is what we have right now. Okay, that's why I mentioned at the top, we don't need to buy. Okay, now we want to see how complex can be, whether this one can continue and retest this low or not. Okay, by the way, as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, any buy opportunity we get, we take it. All right, and this is what we have been looking for. Still, we can consider as a 2, 1, 2, 3, as 1, 2, 3 in relative to this. Just that simple. Okay, now we want to see what we get from here. But any correction, first of all, we want to see whether we can get the trade set up or not. Because if the price give us a one more correction, still we can expect one more drop. May turn to any of this. Give us one more for one more drop. Okay, or it depends what we get here. But if there is a one more drop, the next level we're looking for is 1. All right, by the way, again, if we get any buy opportunity, we can take it. And if we move to 1 hour chart, the only thing says right now we don't have any opportunity. We want to see whether there's a correction for one more drop or reversal. All right, at least if we want to look for buy, we need to get the sharp move with the flag. All right, but one thing we need to bear in mind that if we move to 15 minute, may this one turn to a correction. That's why still we can expect for one more drop. That's why if you want to look for buy, we need to get the buy setup. But right now we don't have any trade setup. Okay. Anyway, as we were expected, that's why if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, I mentioned we expecting the price to drop. Even when we get this sharp move, some of the traders they jump in and buy. I mentioned if we want to buy, we should get the trade set up. We get the correction. Even there was price correct a bit and reverse. There was no buy setup. Okay, and this is what we were expected. Okay, that's why we had these two lines. And now we want to see any buy setup from now we take it. Okay, but before that we want to see whether this correction can give us one more drop or not, because it's still there is a possibility this one turn to a correction for drop in relative to this. Okay, again, if we get any buy setup, we see it's not moving, it's correcting, we don't stay with the trade. But from now we're looking for reversal. Any reversal we take it. All right, in this case we just follow the chart. If I see an update I will share. Thanks.